Okay guys, so this is the full presentation in detail of our AOSIO technologies. Anyway, once somebody asks you what is the meaning of AOSIO. So the meaning of AOSIO in Greek word, from the word Aos, it means dawn. And then SIO means to learn something new. Right. So who are we? ASIO Technologies FZ LLC is an innovative education technology company registered in Dubai, guided by its mission of driving new age knowledge. ASIO is the corporate entity behind AOS Hub, a next generation mobile learning platform that combines knowledge, community, and smart digital tools in one ecosystem. Right. So moving forward, this is our application. We are already approved in Google Play and Huawei. However, we are still waiting to be approved in iOS so that we can be used globally with Apple, right? So what you can see inside the application is the education, community, and empowerment, which is number one, the knowledge library. So you can access that, which is this one is what we are doing is a services. We are offering services to our community. Then they can access the knowledge library. They can have the electronic books. So that's what they are buying. And in return, we are giving them dividend, or what we call the knowledge dividend, which I'm going to discuss right after this. So tiered learning rewards, you will be having that. Mentorship and community growth, knowledge builder bonuses, leadership pathways. Okay. Now in AOS Digital Library, you can see there 50 plus different expert resources. It's books, guides, strategies, covers stocks, crypto, forex, option mindset, and risk management. Structured access by tier level. The more you commit, the more knowledge you unlock. Okay. So we have 6 ways to earn. The first one is the knowledge contribution, which has a passive income out of it, and then the leadership bonus, the spin credit subscription, which I call it the redundant unilevel bonus, plus the reward bonus, where you can have your own car, SUV, and house and lot. Also, we have the raffle draw unilevel bonus and the lottery draw unilevel bonus. By the way, I would like first to introduce who are the people behind the company, right? That's very important. Who are the people behind the company? Well, the CEO, let me introduce to you our CEO. This is Mr. Danny Aguilera, right? He is a former National Bureau of Investigation. It's like in the United States, it's like Federal Bureau of Investigation, or FBI. Here in the Philippines, we call it National Bureau of Investigation. So he is from National Bureau of Investigation. They are the one who are shutting down all the scam company in the Philippines, right? So this is him. So what the company goal is, we would like to become at least among the top 10 exchangers on the planet within the next 3 to 5 years. So this is Mr. Danny Aguilera on the right side, and on the middle, this is our legal consultant, Mr. Ivan Samson, and his office is in the Ombudsman and the Department of Justice here in the Philippines. So their credibility and reputation here in Philippines is really high. So this is our legal consultant. In the middle, Mr. Ivan Samson, or Attorney Ivan Samson from Department of Justice and Ombudsman, and our CEO beside him, Mr. Danny Aguilera. And yeah, our board of directors as well are there. And Mr. Danny Aguilera, our CEO, is a former Interpol, Colonel Interpol in UN Odyssey, right? So this is his during his time in National Bureau of Investigation. So as you can see here, right there, from UN Odyssey, Interpol Colonel by rank. That's him. All right. So these are the people behind the company and a lot more behind the company who has a good credibility and reputation in the nation of the Philippines. So our target again is to become among the top 10 exchangers on the planet. Now, here we go. Let's start with the compensation plan. So with our compensation plan, we call it academic and community ranks. So the minimum entry here is just $15, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, with just $15 here. Okay, $15. So here you can see it's $15 and then followed by $30, followed by up until $1,500. Okay. So as you can see here, there is $1,500 here. Okay. For example, this $1,500, the master mentor. So out of $1,000, it will earn daily dividend. We call it the knowledge dividend, amounting to 0.5% every day. Okay. So $1,000 times 0.5% every day. So definitely you will be earning at least $5 daily. And you can withdraw every week, every Saturday. You can request withdrawal from Sunday to Friday, and then the release of the payout is every Saturday. Right? Now, what about the $500? The $500 goes to the Learning Bolt. Okay? Because Learning Bolt, this is our company safety net. Okay? Now, once you have activated your account is going to receive 0.5% daily from the knowledge credit. Okay? So, your $1,500 was being divided into two, which is the first one goes to the knowledge dividend. Okay? And then the second one goes to the Learning Bolt. Okay? Learning Bolt. So, that is the safety net of the company. All in all, we are offering only 10% every month for the passive income. Okay? This is the total payout for the passive income plus the leadership bonus, additional 10%. Okay? Now, is this the highest package that we can offer to our community from $15 up to $1,500? So this one, we still have higher package, what we call the knowledge booster. So you can definitely offer the knowledge boosters, because this one you can only earn from the leadership bonus every day. Out of your total group sales volume, how much is the daily profit you'll get paid out of it depends on your rank. Now we also have this knowledge booster. If we go to the knowledge booster, it works like this. So on the knowledge booster, for example, at least minimum $2,000. Okay, out of $2,000 and above, you will be getting 5% direct referral bonus. Okay, so 5% direct referral bonus, DRB, direct referral bonus. Okay, so the 5% of $2,000 is $100. So you can definitely get $100 instant on your system dashboard. What if somebody put $100,000? If somebody put $100,000 under your organization, definitely the 5% of it is how much? $5,000. So $5,000 immediately goes to your system dashboard, and you can withdraw it every Saturday. No problem with that. Now, with this $2,000 and above, the good news about this is that there is no lock-in on their capital. What they are buying is the module on how to become profitable trader. Okay? Now, the good news about this $2,000, again, there is no lock-in. If they wish to withdraw their capital, no problem. They can definitely get their capital back. However, we need to inform them that they will be receiving their capital within the next 7 days, because what we are doing here is we trade all the fund of the company. So we trade all of that, okay? Regarding with the trading, the trader provided us 30% every month. This is what our crypto trader, in-house crypto trader, they are providing us 30% profit out of our company fund. Now, the total payout of the company is that 10% for the passive income and then additional 10% from the leadership bonus. A total of 20% payout of the company. Okay? Why we do it like this? Why not 1% daily? No. We want long-lasting company. Again, our goal is to become among the top 10 exchangers on the planet. That's why we need only community. We don't need so much fund. Our ceiling here is at least up to $5 million only. Okay, once we hit $5 million on the knowledge booster side, this will become close. But for the tier level, like tier 1, tier 2, up to tier 7, it's open. No problem with that. No, it's unlimited. But for this one, the knowledge booster from $2,000 and above, there is only a ceiling of this because we don't need so much fund. Okay, 10% goes to the company as their profit, so that is enough fund for the operations and expenses global. We are consisting of 11 different countries, ladies and gentlemen. So moving forward, again, we are now clear with the knowledge dividend, which is the passive income. So we are providing only 10% monthly for the passive income and then another 10% for the leadership bonus. What about the leadership bonus? How does it works? So the leadership bonus works like this. Okay. So for the leadership bonus, if you have one direct under your organization from 200 days, immediately your account will be immediately earning 400 days income of 0.5% every day. Now, regarding with this, if you are tier 1, you buy the package amounting of, let's say, $15. Okay. You have now the $15. Then you are now a tier 1. Now, if you want to earn the 5% every day from your daily group sales profit, you need minimum $200. Group sales volume, even if it's just one working line, it doesn't matter. You will still earn 5% daily from your daily group sales profit. If you wish to become tier 2, it's very simple. You need only $500 sales volume under your organization. Even if it's just one leg, it doesn't matter. You are going to become earning 10% every day from your daily profit. What about if you are a tier 2 and then a tier 1 under your organization? Then the difference will be applied. The 5% goes to your downline and then the remaining difference is 5%. So 5% goes to you. Okay. So tier 3, if you want to become tier 3, you need only at least $2,000 sales volume. Even if it's just one working leg, you will be upgraded from 10% to 15%. If you have downline tier 2, then difference will be applied. So the difference between 10% and 15% is 5%. So you will still be earning 5% from their daily profit of your group. Okay, once you if you wish to become tier 4 level, you need $5,000 group sales volume and then at least 2 tier 3 under your organization. It must be 2 working leg. So it doesn't matter if what level this tier 3 under your organization, as long as it's on 2 different line, then you will be now upgraded to 20% earning daily from your daily profit. What happened if you have tier 3 under your organization? Again, the difference will be applied. So 20% minus or deducted by 15%, the 5% difference. Now, if you wish to become tier 5, then you need $15,000 sales volume plus 3 different lines with tier 4 level. Then you are now upgraded to 25%. The good news is that once you hit the tier 6 level, immediately you will be earning 35% if you have now the $75 sales group volume, and then at least four tier 5 on 4 different lines. And if you want to become tier 7, I highly advise you need to build 5 different groups or 5 different line, because you will be needing 5 different tier 6 on different lines with 5 groups. And then you need to get $250,000 group sales volume. From there, you will be enjoying 45% of your daily group sales volume. Now, for example, you are tier 7, okay? Or let's say, under your organization, he has tier 5 level or rank, okay? Tier 5 rank, and you are tier 7. All right. So, for example, again, tier 5 under your organization. Let's make an example on how it really works, this compensation plan. So, for example, this is tier 5. No. You are tier 7, and then under you is tier 6, and then under you is this one, the tier 5. Okay? Tier 5. Now, under the tier 5, he has investor, one big investor, and this one big investor put, let's say, $100,000 under his organization, direct downline of this tier 5 level, right? Now, times 10% monthly, therefore, this $100,000 is going to earn monthly of $10,000 every month. Now, this tier 5 is going to earn 25%. Okay? So, definitely 25% of $10,000 is how much? He will be earning definitely $2,500 every month. Okay? Every month. $2,500 every month. The tier 5 is going to earn. Now, what about the tier 6? Tier 6 supposed to be earning 35% every month. But the difference of the two is, the difference of these two is 10%. So definitely from $10,000 sales volume, he will be earning 10%. So the 10% of $10,000 of course is $1,000. So the tier 6 account will be earning $1,000 because there is a 10% difference. And if you are a tier 7 account, definitely you're supposed to be earning 45% every daily from their daily profit of your downline. Now, the difference is that from tier 6 there is a 35%. So the difference from you and your tier 6 is 10% as well. So the 10% of this $10,000, the monthly profit is also $1,000. So definitely you are also going to earn $1,000 every month. All right, that's how simple. But the good news is that daily you will see your profit on your system dashboard, and then weekly you can definitely ask for withdrawal, and then every Saturday the withdrawal will be released. Let me show you our system dashboard, ladies and gentlemen. So our system dashboard is here. All right, so right now it's on a website because again right now we are trying to make license from iOS. Now, regarding with this, if you are going to take a look on this on the Knowledge Vault, so this is a demo account. So on the Knowledge Vault, you will see there if how much is the Learning Vault, how much is the Knowledge Vault. So you will see there how much is your daily profit from your personal account. And if you wish to see your community, there is a genealogy on that. So all of your downlines you will see there according to their level, right? Because we also have this unilevel bonus later on I'll discuss. But for now, as you can see, there is a send EOS wherein from your wallet, because technically our application is definitely a wallet. So soon we are going to get the virtual asset service provider license so that we can definitely become a legitimate exchanger, which is 12 months from now. We are also going to launch our own blockchain technology company. So this system will become blockchain as well. Now, you can also do bank transfer, bills payments. No, you can also buy, load, or exchange crypto from your profit to crypto. And then, as you can see, there is also what you call shop. Okay, there is also projects. So on the projects, ladies and gentlemen, take note of this. All types of gaming will be on these projects. So there is a gaming, there is a lottery, raffle draw, scatters, um, anything on the planet that is about the games, we have that. And then you can also book your own flight using our own wallet. All right. Now, the good news about this compared to other wallet, the one that is earning are only the owners. But this one, this time around, it's totally different. For example, you transferred, let's say, you transferred from your wallet going to your bank account. There will be a transaction fee on that. Every transaction, let's say the charge is 0.10 centavo per transaction. So, the 0.10 centavo, ladies and gentlemen, it will goes half of it, the $5, okay, 50% goes to the company, and then the 50% goes to the community as their Unilevel. Just exactly the same with doing the bills payment, you'll get paid out of it from your Unilevel bonus down to the 20th level. Every single movement of their fund, if you build your own community in the future, 6 months or a year from now, if you have millions of community under your organization, imagine you are earning cent by cent by cent if they are doing bank transfer, bills payment, buy, load, crypto, exchange, and then they are doing buying some things on the shop, and then doing the gaming, and then buying tickets. Guys, you are earning cents out of it. And it's gonna be a huge amount of money. Still, huge amount of money. The good news is that we are not just a member here. We are part of our own wallet. We are part of our own company. We are like a shareholder of the company if we are just going to build community. That's why the minimum entry is just $15. So that even if the garbage man, they can join. We can definitely, change their lives from ordinary people into extraordinary. That is the main goal of our company. And if you are a strong leader and you are looking upon a sustainable company, this is the perfect company for you. Me as well, I am very tired of building community from one company to another company. I'm tired. I want a long-lasting company. And this company will definitely 100%, I am confident this company will last up to the next generation. Now, let me go ahead and continue. We are now done with the leadership bonus. We are now going to the redundant unilevel bonus. So what is that redundant unilevel bonus? The redundant unilevel bonus is like this. All right. We have this what we call spin credit contribution. So the spin credit contribution, for example, they entered to the company with just amounting of $15, the basic package. So out of $15, the one that is earning is exactly the $10. Okay, the $10 is the one that is going to earn. Now, if we are going to compute that, right? If we are going to use the calculator, the $15, again, the one that is going to earn is only the $10 because the $5 goes to the Learning Bolt as a company safety net. Okay. Now the $10 times 0.005% every day, they are earning 0.5 cents dollar every day times 30 days. Then definitely they are going to earn $1.5 every month. So what can they do with just $1.5? The minimum withdrawal is $5. So what they can do is they can subscribe with spin credit contributions. They are going to receive $1.5 worth of lottery ticket or a raffle draw. This raffle draw will be launched 6 months from now. including the lottery. Now, what the company did, the 0.86 cents, we gave it to the uni-level bonus from your 6th level down to your 15th level deep. So 0.86 centavo divided into 10th level deep. So every single person who are subscribing under your organization from 6th level down to your 15th level deep, you are going to earn 0.8 cents per level per person. Now, look, this is our humble computation. If you manage to build duplication of 3 directs, okay, you manage to build, your direct is 3, and then all of them will duplicate into 3. From 1st level down to 5th level, you are not yet going to earn out of it. You are going to earn starting 6th level, 7th level, 8th level, 9th level, up to 15th level deep. Why? Why we started having uni-level bonus from 6th level? Because from 6th level, you have huge community out of it down to the 15th level. Now, if we are going to take a look on your 10th to 15th level deep, ladies and gentlemen, approximately you have on your 15th level deep, you have 14.3 million people under your organization unconsciously, and each of them you are going to earn 0.8 cent every 30 days. So from here, as you can see, if I am going to zoom in, okay, you'll see from 6th level down to 15th level deep, okay, you are going to earn approximately $1.7 million every 30 days. Not just one time, but every 30 days. Why? Because they are going to subscribe with our raffle spin credit contribution, which is amounting to $1.5 only. And this $1.5 will not come out on their pocket. It came from their monthly profit amounting from the capital of, the capital only is how much? $15. With the amount of $15. Alright, hold on. Alright, here. With the capital of $15. From $15 capital, they are earning monthly of $1.5. And this $1.5 profit, they can definitely subscribe to spin credit contribution. So every single 30 days, okay, because there is a countdown on that on their system dashboard, every 30 days you need to subscribe. So therefore, every 30 days you are earning $1.7 million. Let's say you cannot believe that you can definitely earn $1.7 million or $1.7 million. Okay, let's go with this $1.7 million. At least 10% of it times 10%, you can earn monthly $170,000. I think this one is good enough already, right? $170,000 monthly income. And then let's say, let's deduct $20,000. This $20,000 is your budget for your family. Still, you have savings every month, $150,000. Times to 10 months savings. In 1 month, you can have a savings of $1.5 million. This is the opportunity I am trying to talk about. Even if $15, it doesn't matter. Because if we can build millions of community, and one day we will become a legitimate blockchain company, therefore we have so much community, the company can stand up to the next generation, right? Now, moving forward, we are done with the redundant uni-level bonus with the spin credit. Let's go now with our reward for SUV car and house and lot. Now, on this scenario, for example, you have 2 directs under your organization. Duplication of 2, okay? Duplication of 2 directs. Just focus only on your 20th level. Never mind the 1st level up to 19th level deep. Just focus on your 20th level deep. Why? Because on your 20th level deep, every single person who are joining on your 20th level deep, you are earning $1, $1, $1. If a person is joining $15, then definitely you are going to earn $1. If a person join with $150, then definitely you are going to earn $10. If they join with $1,500, then definitely you will be earning $100 out of it. Now, in the 20th level deep, with just the power of 2 directs, you can have 1,048,000 community under your organization. And all of them are convertible into dollar. That's why you can earn as much as $1,048,000. The good news is that we don't need to wait for the first 1 million community. The first 5,000 community, ladies and gentlemen, if you have now the first 5,000 community, therefore that is convertible into cash, which is $5,000, you can now ask a withdrawal on your reward bonus. So you can do a down payment with your SUV of your choice. We will do a car down payment, so you have your own car. What about the monthly amortization? Next month, you have another people under your organization on the 20th level. Let's say after a month, you have another 2,000 members freshly on your 20th level deep. Then this $2,000, you can definitely withdraw it and pay for the monthly amortization. You still have enough fund for your extra operations and expenses. What will happen once you are already fully paid with your SUV car? The next one is your house and lot, my friend, right? $1 million is enough for you to have good quality of SUV car and house and lot. That is for the reward. Now, moving forward, we have this EOS community knowledge spin, or the EOS GameFi, because somewhere down the line, you are going to encounter some people. They will ask you, what if one day? Because how the company can really provide the 10% monthly or the 20% total payout, because 10% from the passive income, then 10% for the leadership bonus, a total of 20% total payout. So how can the company sustain this 20% monthly payout? Again, we have a crypto trader, and as a transparency, we always send all the result or the trade result of our crypto trader. We always send it to your respected GC. So if they are delivering 30% monthly, therefore 20% is the payout. The remaining fund to the company is just 10%. So this 10% are for our operation and expenses. Now, the question here is this: what if one day the trader lost their fund because whales came in? What will happen to the company? Can the company still sustain the payout even without the trader or the fund? Can the company still sustain? The answer is yes. How? I will show you right now. So 6 months from now, we are going to launch our raffle draw and lottery draw. Ladies and gentlemen, upon withdrawal, the minimum withdrawal is $5. Then, on your $5, we are going to charge you 10%. It's like tax. So the 10% of $5 is how much? There is 0.50 centavo in dollar. So, this 0.50 cent in dollar, we are going to convert it into raffle ticket or lottery ticket. Right? Now, 6 months from now, you have so much raffle ticket on your system dashboard. So definitely, the withdrawal of each community is still 100%. It just so happened that 10% is being converted into raffle ticket for them to join on the gaming side. Alright? Now, what will happen? From 0.50 centavo in dollar, all you have to do is to choose two numbers, 1 to 45 number. Okay? For example, you choose the number 8 and the number 28. Therefore, If this is the winning number, then you can win at least minimum $100. So not bad. At least you can win $100 out of your 0.50 centavo in dollar worth of raffle ticket. Alright, now, the good news is that our draw is every 10 minutes, global 24/7. Every 10 minutes, my friend, we are going to do a raffle draw. Now, here's the thing. On your Unilevel bonus, 0.17 cent in dollar out of 0.50 in dollar, we provided that to your 10th level. Alright? So, each level, there is 0.017 dollars cent each level. And we are going to do it starting from your 6th level up to 15th level deep. So, this is another redundant Unilevel. Anyone who perform under your 6th level to 15th level deep, you are going to earn 0.017 cent each community. For example, 6 months from now, you have 100,000 community under your organization. Out of 100,000 community, times 1% only joining the draw. I'll go to the minimum, minimum joining on your raffle draw under your organization. Out of 100,000 community, only 1,000 community are joining the draw every 10 minutes. So, we are going to convert that into cash. How much you are earning per person times 0.017 cent. So, definitely, every 10 minutes, you are earning $17 every 10 minutes. Times 6 draw in 1 hour, you can earn $102 every hour from the raffle draw itself. Times 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen, you can earn as much as $2,448 every day. Times 30 days, therefore, you can earn $73,000 every month, minimum. Because what we are computing is just 1% out of 100,000 community under your organization 6 months from now. Now, the question here is that what about the company? Can really the company sustain the payout? Let's see. So, from here, let's say 6 months from now, okay, 6 months from now, we have 1 million community global. Out of 1 million community, times only 1% are joining the draw every 10 minutes. So there is 10,000 people joining the draw every 10 minutes. And each 0.50 centavo in dollar raffle ticket, the company earns 0.10 centavo. So, times 10 centavo profit times 0.10, times 0.10 cent profit. Therefore, the company is earning $1,000 every 10 minutes. So, times 6 draw in 1 hour, the company is earning $6,000 every hour. Times 24 hours daily, the company can earn $144,000 every day. Times 30 days, brother, ladies and gentlemen, the company can earn $4.3 million every day. Now, what we compute is 1 million people under our community 6 months from now. Let's say this 1 million community put minimum $15 each. Therefore, there is a total fund of $15 million. And these $15 million are on the trading. The question is, what if the trader lost their fund because whale came in? Now, how much is the total payout of the company? 20%. So, times 20%. Therefore, the total payout monthly supposed to be is $3 million. And how much is the earning of the company from the raffle draw itself? We are not yet talking about the lottery and the gaming side or the scatters, the baccarat, the blackjack. We are just talking about the raffle draw. On the raffle draw itself, the 2 digits raffle draw, the company is earning $4.3 million. Deducted by our payout, $3 million. How much The company still $1.3 million profit, and this will be subdivided by all of the board of directors of the company. So this one, ladies and gentlemen, I have shown you that the company can really sustain the payout 6 months from now. Once we have 1 million community, the company will become unstoppable, because the design of the company is a self-sustainable company because of the gaming industry, which is under the blockchain technology. So everything will become transparent on this. And again, it's a pleasure presenting you this business. I hope you guys are going to join in building community with AOSIO Technology Company. One day, 3 to 5 years from now, we will soon to be among the top 10 exchangers on the planet. And see you on top, guys. See you.